Hello guys, in this video we will see what is dev error FUD in COD Warzone and how to fix. I will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step but understanding dev error FUD. Content dev error FUD is a common and frustrating error encountered by players in Call of Duty Warzone, often resulting in game crashes to the desktop. This error typically signifies an issue with game files, corrupted data, or a conflict with system resources that prevents the game from running stably. It can manifest at various points, such as during loading screens, in the middle of a match, or even when launching the game. While the specific underlying cause can vary, it generally points towards an instability that the game engine cannot recover from, necessitating troubleshooting steps to identify and rectify the conflict or corruption.
Step: verify game file integrity. Content: one of the most frequent causes of dev errors FUD is corrupted or missing game files. Over time, game files can become damaged due to various reasons, including incomplete downloads, hard drive errors, or unexpected game shutdowns. To address this, players should use their game launcher's built-in repair utility. For Battle.net, navigate to the Call of Duty game, click on the options cog wheel, and select Scan and Repair. If playing via Steam, right-click Call of Duty in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan all game files, identify any discrepancies, and automatically download and replace corrupted or missing data, often resolving the error.
Step: update graphics drivers and Windows. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a significant contributor to game instability and can frequently trigger dev error FUD. Graphics card manufacturers regularly release driver updates that include performance optimizations, bug fixes, and improved compatibility with the latest games. Players should ensure their graphics drivers are up to date by downloading the latest version directly from the NVIDIA and/or Intel website or through their respective software device experience reading software. Similarly, ensuring Windows is fully updated can resolve underlying system conflicts or provide necessary system files that the game release upon access. Windows update via Settings, Update Security, and check for any pending updates. Step: adjust graphics settings and close background applications. Content: high graphics settings can strain your system's resources, especially if your hardware is older or just meets the minimum requirements, leading to crashes like dev errors. Reducing in-game graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, anti-aliasing, and disabling features like ray tracing can significantly reduce the load on your GPU. Additionally, background applications consuming significant RAM or network resources can conflict with Warzone, leading to instability. Before launching the game, open Task Manager, crucifix, and close any unnecessary programs or processes. Consider disabling overlays from applications like Discord, Xbox Game Bar, or Force Experience, as these are known to sometimes conflict with game performance.
Step: reinstall the game. Last resort. Content: if all previous troubleshooting steps fail to resolve dev error FUD, a complete reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone should be considered a last resort. This ensures that any deeply corrupted files, persistent configuration issues, or obscure installation problems are entirely removed and replaced with a fresh, clean installation. First, to install the game through your Battle.net launcher or via Windows Apps Features settings. After your installation, manually check and delete any residual game folders that might remain in program files. So Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Restart your computer, then proceed to download and reinstall the game from scratch through the Battle.net launcher. This method often resolves persistent errors that stem from complex file system corruption.